my wonderful lovely people? Welcome back to another vlog. My face is breaking out. I don't know what to do, just accept it. Anyways, I'm gonna run to the supermarket because we're gonna try, we're still learning how to cook. Mommy is gonna show me how to, it's not the first time, it's not the second, it's not the third. Yeah, however, we're gonna learn how to do stew peas, and I'm gonna do it on my own today. It's my favorite meal. So yeah, so we're going into the supermarket, the Caribbean supermarket. We're gonna get some pig steel. I think we already have everything else, just the pig steel that we really need. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with that. Then it's Sunday, so later on we're gonna just get ourselves ready for work, for the work week, right? Because as you can see, I'm trying to figure out how to maintain my natural hair. It's giving me a little hard time. Yeah, and on top of that, my face is breaking out, so feeling a little bit uncomfortable, but still taking up the camera because I miss vlogging. So we're gonna go on the road and get that stuff done. So enough of the talking, let's go. And sorry if I'm talking a little bit funny, I have my retainers in because I've been inconsistent with that a little bit too. So not too much, it's just probably a one night I may forget. So you kind of feel like this is kind of shifting, these two. So trying to keep it on because I'm not gonna really talk much. It's kind of hard to talk with feels like I'm choking, so I don't really keep it in, like especially if I'm at work. Yeah, so going to the supermarket shouldn't have much talking to do, so let's retain our teeth movement. All right, so let's go.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a tea, but the bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it.
Not pretty. That drained me. So supagin and some of this, and then we'll get started. Mommy already started washing the pig's tail, so she's washing it with water, lime juice, and vinegar. So I don't know that process. Not for sure. I'm just showing you the cooking process. But let me grab on this and then come back soon, right? Just gonna use these two big pieces.
Fine, girl. Make it over there.
Don't go in here. We threw off, this is the second set of water that we put in the pig tail in. Threw off the first one, so it's doing its second boil. Piece more garlic to the pot, like 3 more pieces to the pea spot. 2 more, so these 2? She's adding these 2 more to the pea spot than what we added already. We'll add some water because I need some more.
No,
So they can cook properly. Need to add our earthly seasoning, but that's right now. Some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some all-purpose. A nice grip. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Added some lettuce on the side, so we're gonna grab at this right now. Hey guys, so it's another day, another beautiful day. It's the day after National Girlfriend's Day, and I just got home to a beautiful surprise. I haven't opened it yet. A beautiful package from my baby, and as you can see what it says right there. To who? Right, that's the name right there. Okay, I thank you. So we're gonna unbox it together. He's here on the phone right here. Where's the phone? Somewhere. He's somewhere here on the phone. So we're gonna unbox it. So let's see what we have here. see if we can put this down here. So, babe. What? Babe, stop it, yeah, man. Look at how you're pretty. So it came with this on it. Dear Tashoy Folks Nelson, happy International Girlfriend's Day, babe. Just letting you know that I love you. From Mr. Nelson. Why don't I have something, babe? The heat kind of get to them a little bit though. Yeah. Sit down here. Down here. You see? Yeah. Babe, I don't think I want roses anymore. Oh, like, it just, sorry. It does perfect. Like, the colors are perfect. Color, I love the pink. I don't know, I just love this. It's just bright and pretty. Like, the pink and the yellow and the red. Yeah, man. Thank you, baby. Thank you very much. Cut off like a 2 inches. Alright, it's taped. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.